It's cool.
No mess, no fuss.
Cut it,
Clip it.
Cook it. No mess, no fuss.
change it,
Woohoo. Clean it. No mess, no fuss.
Vidiem Vogue. Maintenance-free, cool cooktops.
Introducing the new Vidiem Vogue with the world's first fully removable burner assembly. Use it as your cooktop or as a hob. It's so cool.
It's cool.
Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. No mess, no fuss.
No mess, no fuss.
Create space and use it with removable burner assemblies. Introducing the all-new Hexaflame forged brass burners for even heating and faster cooking. Oxy-rich mixing tubes with Venturi flow design offers 70% efficiency, making it the world's most efficient hob. Burner assembly with heat-resistant paint keeps your cooktop looking brand new for years to come. Wide base 5 mm thick square pan supports for a stable cooking surface. Widely spaced burners for the joy of cooking. 10 mm metal backed thermally treated toughened glass for enhanced durability with a lifetime warranty. Duo shield valves with Molykote for smooth operation and 100% safety. Ergonomic and sturdy metal knobs. Convenient low height for easy handling of vessels. The high-precision chrome-plated jet positioned on the top of the stove is ant and dust-proof. The easy cleaning access makes it a true maintenance-free cooktop. .360-degree gas inlet to fix the gas tube in any direction. The product comes with a free gas lighter, a hose and a cleaning kit. A foam tape is also provided for easy fitment as a hob. The 5-year warranty on the entire product gives you peace of mind and the pride in ownership.
Vidiem for the joy of cooking.